It's very important that we get all the stakeholders together, because the issues that are faced by young people are not the same. As COVID has shown us, as HIV has shown us, epidemics affect different people differently. The reason for the multi-sectoral stakeholders in the same room is that we understand the same problem from different perspectives, and that we add nuance and urgency and collaboration in our response as well. And we can only do that when all of us are in the same room. And that room, when we say all of us, it includes young people.
We need to work as a team, come up with different strategies and techniques to help in the fight against HIV. I may be infected with the virus, but you are affected in one way or the other. Besides, we have more to give if we work together.
I would echo and emphasize the need to facilitate that transition. It's something we have all gone through, and it's something at times we suffered in isolation. But today, with all the communication available, the technology that's available, the opportunities are there for us to be able to say these are potential solutions which can be availed to young people in this era where they confront the challenges of HIV, and as well as some of the socio-economic challenges.
We cannot solve these big challenges unless we bring an intersectoral and multi-stakeholder approach.
Individually and collectively, we contribute to the improved outcomes for our adolescents. Individually, we bring our strengths, and collectively, we bring our numbers.
Meaningful changes will only occur when the advocacy is done collectively. While young people and adolescents, as well as the adult, needs to work together and figure out the ways of addressing the issue faced by young people, and how the system involved these stakeholders can actually assist young people in reaching out to their potential and also maximize their health, their talent, and also access to quality information.
HIV is a multi-system disorder. This is true in the biomedical sense, but it's also true in the societal, political, and economic sense.
COVID has shown us that life is so much more than a single virus, that it requires global collaboration of health and social care, and it requires a political and economic will and industry partnership, everyone playing their own role for maximum effect.
HIV is an ongoing fight that is being fought on every front, and it's important for all stakeholders to come together and fight it.